Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type your services.msc and hit enter. So this will open services window, and now we need to find out server. So right click on it, select properties, go to startup type and set automatic. Then click on apply and OK. Just right click on it and click on restart. This will take few seconds to complete the process. Once done, we need to find out the workstation. So here we go. Simply right click on it, go to properties, set startup type as automatic, click on apply and then OK. Again right click on it and select restart. Once done, we will move to the next method. Just close this window. Now go to search bar, type your control panel, and from the search results click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to simply click on view by, select small icons and click on network and sharing center. Once we are here, we need to click on change advanced sharing settings. Then on this window we need to expand the private networks, and we need to enable the network discovery as well as file and printing sharing. Then just scroll down in the public network, we need to enable these network discovery option, and in the all networks we need to enable both these options, public folder sharing as well as password protect sharing. Once done, close this window and simply restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.